Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Danique. Today I'll be making a tumbler with the name Brie on it with a beach image. So keep watching if you'd like to see how I did that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave some comments below and let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Awesome Danique. See you there. So right now, I'm just writing her name on the box. It's my first time using the Cricut pen to write something, so I was actually quite impressed by it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Oh, how cute. I wish I could have made a little heart right there. My box is ready to go.
So this is what I'm making. It just says Brie and it has like a little beachy thingy. Go to continue. Wait for it to load. Usually it doesn't take this long. And then I'm gonna just click vinyl. Blade is already installed in fast mode. Paper is already installed, so then I just click that. Oh shit, oh fuck, stop. Wow, why am I messing up this morning so badly? Wow, so I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna load the paper, just set it in. I'm gonna go over here to my computer. And then it's already, everything is already selected, fast mode. So then all I have to do now is just click this and wait for it to work its magic. Disregard my mat. It's been through a lot. And actually I just ordered, I just ordered new mats. And they'll actually be longer. So I'm excited about that. And I pretty much just wait for it to work its magic. So this is my second time using this type of paper. What is it? So it is done. All I have to do is press this now. And you see it. It says Brie. Oh my god. And then just to get back over here, I'm just gonna click finish. And this is what it looks like. Final product shortly. So this is my work area. I'm just gonna use my little tools. I have my tools over here. I'm gonna use this. And maybe this. And yeah. So I'm just gonna remove this. Put that somewhere. This is the paper that I use, by the way. I got this from I think Joann's. No, Michael's. I'm crazy. I like to just cut around the name or whatever, and then after that I just measure out the transfer tape I'm gonna use and kind of just cut it. So I'm gonna cut this one along skirt, you know, just to match that. Nothing major. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the excess. Like, I hate wasting this because I feel like it's such like good paper. I wish there was a way to just use exactly what you needed for your project instead of wasting so much vinyl. Because I mean, ultimately that's what it is, like a waste. At least to me. Hopefully this is still in view. Brie. This is coming out so cute. Okay. Okay, so I kind of just peel that part away. This is a progress. And now I'm gonna remove the thingy inside the E excess. Bam. And now I'm gonna remove this part. Bam. And then I'm gonna clean up the palm tree, even though it kind of looks cute, but to give it the whole vibe and the whole look, I'm just gonna remove it. And then inside the palm tree. Ouch. And then the umbrella, or whatever this is called. Yeah. And so, just gonna remove the other two pieces. And then this is done. Ready to be transferred. Yeah, this is ready to be transferred to the tumbler. So yeah, now I'm just gonna get the transfer paper, peel this off, lay it on top of this. I don't know if I'll be able to capture all of that, but let's see. So now I'm actually gonna go like so and just separate it. I'm gonna put the transfer paper down first. Obviously people do it, you know, their way. But this is how I'm gonna do it today. And then, because I feel like if I put this down first, the transfer paper is gonna pick up like all the dirt, debris, and everything else. Oh darn, I messed up already. Okay, no I didn't. Alright. Bam. And just like that. Now I'm gonna come with my scrapey tool. And I'm really just gonna try to flatten the name on the transfer paper like as much as possible. Like so much so that when I remove so I've done some scrubbing. I'm not sure if it's ready yet, but I'm gonna try to just lift it up to see where I'm at with this. Okay, so I'm gonna start by trying to peel like this side. Oh shit, epic fail already. Let's see if at least up here did something. Oh, okay, it did. Huh. Alright, so let's see if I could. Okay. Boobs is out, ass is out. Hit it. Oh snap. Okay. Bam. Okay. See? So that looks like. So I should have done this before, but I'm gonna take my little alcohol thingy, just paper towel, get the alcohol as much as possible, and I'm basically just gonna use this to clean the tumbler, remove any type of stickiness or whatever, so that when I put the vinyl on it, it just transfers perfectly. So I'm in an awkward position right now. I usually have like, you know, just a better setup for this, but since I'm trying to record it, this is my first like video recording, like whatever I'm doing. So now I'm gonna try to square this out. Ah! Okay, it's okay, don't panic. So I'm just gonna like try to even this out as much as possible. It's not gonna be perfect. So just get this like, you know, straight. I usually like to smooth out the middle first and then work my way up and or down. So, and then bam, it's on the tumbler. And then I like to go back with this thing and just like make sure it's all flattened. Flat it out. So that when I remove the transfer paper, it just like comes off smoothly, effortlessly. don't forget this little piece down here. Because the goal is to make sure this sticks forever, or, you know. So yeah, then that's pretty much it. After I've done all the smoothing, I just try to peel the transfer tape off. I try to like to bend it back like that, and then peel it like so. Voila! Ha 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 ha! Shalamana! Shalamana! Shalamane! Shalamana! This is the final product. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you'd like to see me make more Cricut stuff, or if you'd like to see me recreate this with a different name. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll leave a link to my website below so you guys could order your own custom items. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at AwesomeDanique, and I will see you guys in my next video. Keep watching to see how I actually package this up. Her doormat actually said queen. Oh my god, I love it so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.